This picture is getting a 9. Damn, those were big. Oh, Lord. Wait people, before this video even begins, you know we gotta hit the Vibes Cartel famous word, and I quote, me love pum pum, pussy until me dead, nothing else can so. A word, boss, hey girl. Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Terry Vlogs, and welcome back to the vlog channel, people. You understand me? If it's the only channel you subscribe to, check out the main channel called Terry Vlogs, where you post the most lit reactions on YouTube. When I say the most lit reactions on YouTube, hey, if I'm lying, I'm dying, and I'm very much breathing. Go check it out. But we're back on the vlog channel, and today, guys, we'll bring back this kind of video to y'all, and realize y'all missed this. Remember when I was doing this, you know, with the Guyanese, the Trinidadians, and the Jamaicans, and y'all ready for the video? Smash the like on this video right now, people. Let's get 100 likes on this video right now for a part 2. Well, then I'll get more anyways, because this vlog must. But smash it. Let's get 100 likes on this video. Now, in today's video, we have Jessica Vickery. And she's from Guyana. Now we finna do the famous rating these pictures from 1 through 10. So we finna rate our Instagram photos from 1 through 10. I hope you guys are ready for this. And if it's your first time seeing this beautiful lady that I'm about to show to y'all right now, prepare to be very, how could I say? What's the word? Word. Let's see what's popping on the screen right now. Screen card on the screen right now. Yes. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I don't follow her. I used to follow her, but she unfollowed me. I don't know what I did.
Wait a minute.
So, you know, I don't follow people who's not following me back. Anyways, let's see what's popping. Bam. First photo. Whew. Okay. Oh, what's the first thing you see when you look at this picture, guys? What's the first thing you see when you look at this picture, guys? Oh, damn. Let me see where I'm gonna be very, very, very serious today. Now, this picture is getting out of 10. I'm gonna give this photo a, I'll give this an 8. I'll give this one an 8. I'll give this post an 8. Next on the list, we got, scroll, bam. Okay. We see like a curviness going, you know, the curvy diva thing happening right there. You know, the female's kick 1 foot and thing, and she got the iPhone on deck and the big. What's the second thing is, what's the first thing you see on this picture, guy? Alright. I'm gonna give this one a, I'm gonna give this one an 8 also. I'm behaving myself today. I'm not gonna go all extra with it today. We chilling, we having a vibes. Okay? Okay. And I'm not thirsty. I got water for days. Let go. Ooh. Oh, she got that ice. She got that. Hola. Oh, it's braces. But I'm gonna give this one an 8 also. I don't 8 you though.
Let your fingers get in there.
Don't get it twisted. But that photo's getting there. Hey, let's scroll some more. We got a video. Ooh, okay. As you can see, she's very thick. Alright, as you can see, she's very thick. So, you know, no need to hide the fact that she's thick. This is not a photo though, so I'm not even gonna rate it. Let's just scroll. Thank you for that video though, we needed that. Let go. Ooh, I love this jeans fit. Thick. Look at her legs right there. Thick. Well, I like the fit though. I love the nice back. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna give this one a 9. She gonna get a 9 for this one. This one's This one's saying something a little bit more extra. It's like it's speaking to me a little more. So it's like it's getting a 9. Let go. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Ooh. I'm supposed to be looking at your face, right? Why am I looking?
Oh dear.
Yeah, guys, she got a nice smile. You can see. I just need a little water. I guess I was a little thirsty just now. What else? A little water and I'm good right there. I like the hair and everything. I like the cross. You know, the chain right there. Yeah. I'm gonna give this picture a solid 8 for real. You know, let's call something. Here we go with the boomerang again. Bad. Do it to them. Yeah. Flex. But that's not a picture though, so we ain't gonna rate that one. Let's call it some more. Ooh, I like that also. The selfie queen. She likes selfies. That's a 8 though. Let's go. More videos. This one. Oh, this one's. Ooh, I like that. I love that. I love that too, but it's not a photo, so we ain't rating that though. Let's scroll some more. Ooh. Ooh.
Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat.
One heap of pum pum. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Okay. I needed that. I needed some water. I needed that. Oh, I even like this one. Ooh. This picture is getting a 9. Damn, those are big. Oh Lord. Needed some water. Woo. Let's scroll. Okay. 8. I got some water. I'm good now. 7.
Nice, pretty, skin smooth. That I make this.
Say she have a gap. Oh wow, her lips are sexy as hell. Look at her lips. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, tell you what, I'm free to look, but I ain't thirsty. When the water is finished, though, I might be thirsty. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but for now I'm good. But her lips just make you want to kiss me. Please don't finish on me, okay? Let's go. The water is finished. People, look here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look. Beautiful. I even like the video. That's a 10. I like that. I love this. I love everything with this picture. That's a 10 right there. Let me scroll. Okay, we got a video. Hey, my girl, know you're thin tough. But that's not a photo though. Photo. I like that little innocent look. Yeah, we needed that to calm ourselves down because the water is finished, as I said before. So we needed this little look right here. I'm gonna give this a 8 though. Oh, I ain't got no more water, so I gotta look. Okay. Nice little picture, nice little photo. I like it. I'm gonna give it a 8. A nice little photo. I give it an 8. Ooh. We gotta look. We ain't got no more water, but ooh. Okay, so I'll give this one a 8 also. Yep. I'm at 8. Ooh, you need some water. Ooh. Let's say 8 right there. Okay. Oh. Who can say when the video done? When the video Yo, dog.